Vietnam. We landed here last night and we came here on a very small plane. It had like 25 rows, 2 seats each. It was pretty cool. I've never experienced anything like that. It was kind of scary, like taking off and landing. It just felt a little different than a bigger plane, but it was a nice experience. But yeah, now we're here in Dalat. We're going to experience some things. It's kind of cold here. Last time I checked, it was 67 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm kind of surprised because Ho Chi Minh was so hot all the time. Even though it rained, it was still hot while it rained. So now it's like way colder. But I'm excited to explore here. We're here for 5 days. We might extend depending on if we like it or not. But yeah, I'm gonna finish doing my hair. I'm going to diffuse it because I don't want to step out with wet hair. I am kind of getting stuffy. I think it's just the weather change from being in Ho Chi Minh with really hot weather and then coming here and it being really cold. I'm going to diffuse my hair, change my clothes, and then we'll see where we go next. Oh, a doggy! They got a menu. Oh, are they coming now? The matcha menu. Lots of things. Thank you. We stopped and got a matcha. This is Vietnamese matcha, not Japanese matcha. And it's a blueberry matcha latte, and I got it. How do you say it? Eat no is sugarless, which is just less sugar. So I mix it. My nose keeps dripping. That's really good. Wait, because sugarless is really sweet. People should try Vietnamese matcha more. It's actually really good. I think this is the 3rd time I've had Vietnamese matcha, and it's been good. And the blueberries are perfect. I've never had a blueberry matcha, so it's really good. These are the matcha fields in Vietnam. We just got out of the massage. Well, I got a massage, my husband got a hair spa, and it was really nice. It is different from Thai massages, but it was still really good. I really like that they give you clothes to change into, because not every place does that. And then they also, what else did I say I liked? Oh, hold on, there's a car. A big old truck. Yeah, I like that they give you clothes to change into, because not every massage place does that. Yeah, it was nice and relaxing. I feel like my posture is so much better now after that flight from yesterday. We were so tired. There's so much we were doing. I'm gonna turn around. I feel like my breathing hard. I'm breathing hard because I'm like still recovering from whatever sickness I have. Okay, I'm gonna go.
had a 2-hour nap and now we came and got some dinner. These are some chicken spring rolls. So I'll pray before I eat. It doesn't really look like the picture, but oh, that's fresh. It doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's okay. I thought they were gonna be like spring rolls. I don't know what these are. I got these beef things that are wrapped in something. I don't know. They look delicious though. Mmm. Oh, there's food here. Try the cucumber and tomato. Mmm. Try it with the sauce they gave. It doesn't even need the sauce. So much flavor. After our acai bowls, we went home because it was raining, and now we came to get the salmon, and our chicken is still coming out. What's this is the garlic, right? I'm gonna try the garlic salmon first. Oh, I forgot the price. The menu was 100% in Vietnamese, so we did not understand it. We had to Google Translate it by taking pictures. What are your goals, babe? This one's the garlic. Wait, I can't tell because they're so similar, but they're both so good. The chicken wings just came out. These are chicken wings and fish sauce. Oh, it's good we have them. Oh, there. Ooh, that tastes like orange chicken. No, not orange chicken. The other thing. Oh, that's all.
That lunch was delicious. Now we are on our way to get a matcha. Can we go?
Okay, so now it is dinner time and we are at, I don't even know, Che. I just got a tonkatsu chicken salad. I was just craving some greens, so I got a salad, and then they gave us bread with a miso butter. This is freshly baked molasses bread with a miso butter. First and foremost, we always pray. Amen. Okay, first I actually want to try the bread and butter. That smells crazy. It's like, it tastes like sourdough. Oh, they have croutons in here of the same bread. So garlicky. Okay. I don't know what type of salad this is. It didn't say, it just said tonkatsu chicken, so I don't know what dressing is on it, but there's kale in it, which I love the kale salad. It's kind of mustardy, like honey mustard. It tastes kind of like honey mustardy. The chicken's good, nice and crispy, still juicy. I love it. I'm not really a fan of croutons in my salad for some reason, but these are good. They're not like too crispy. That looks really good. That burger looks good.
We are on a cable car ride on the way to another side, and we're just gonna explore that side. Someone was like, oh, they should put music in these. I got we made
We made it to the other. Why did my camera do that? We made it to the other side. Oh, is that the line to go back? Where are we going now? Look at all those chickens. We stopped at a cafe and I got a peach. No, passion fruit cold brew. Are we clean? Wait, I have to mix it.
It's slow.
Oh. Oh yeah. That's really good. And we got a it's warm. It's yummy. Taste it. It's really good. Now we're gonna sit here and enjoy the views. I'm tired. I'm tired, Grandpa. You have to say, that's too damn bad. They have some cute wedding pictures going on. It's so cute. The package came with a drink for each of us and an archery. They have multiple packages, but we chose the one that came with a drink and archery. I got a lychee tea. That's delicious. There's an actual piece of lychee in there. And my husband got the pink guava. Oh, it's like boba. Popping boba. Yum. Hello. No? Okay. Bye-bye. We technically haven't had a proper meal all day, so now we're at a pizza place. They serve Chicago style pizza, but they have a matcha, salted cream matcha. You try it. It's Vietnamese matcha. I want to try it. Wait. You know what this tastes like? I don't know what it tastes like, but it's good. Yum. This is my third drink. I had coffee this morning with the cinnamon have a chocolate cinnamon roll, and then a tea from the Waterfall, and now this. So I like the salted cream. I want to make this. Okay, I'm gonna save it because I tend to chug my drinks down and not like savor them. So I'm gonna try to savor it.
Yeah.
Should I do this big one?
I think this one is
Okay. You ready? That was really high.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Can I pass it on TikTok?
Yes, you can.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
That looks delicious.
We went to the acai bowls and we have an intense game of pickleball. And now we're gonna go to some lunch somewhere. I don't know where yet. We got the chicken egg ones, and it comes with a base soupy thing that I've seen others dip in, so I'm gonna try that out. Okay, so I added some chilies to it because I like chilies, and I've seen everyone else dip it in, and then eat it. So hot. Oh, I like these. All the green onions. Okay. We're out for dinner now, and we stopped at a Mexican place because I want to try out their take on Mexican food. We got a hibiscus agua fresca. It's really good. I already tried everything so far. And then just some chips and salsa, which is actually really, really good. I definitely think the chips are handmade. Homemade. I thought this was ketchup. I thought it was randomly ketchup, but it's not. It's a sauce. We're gonna ask. Tastes like very similar, actually, the drink. Yum. And I got a beef burrito. We're waiting for that. And a chicken quesadilla. I already tried it for short form content, but this is the beef burrito. It's pretty good. I like to add this sauce onto it. I'm gonna eat it. Thank you. It reminds me of like a Taco Bell burrito, almost. You try it or no? And then with my quesadilla that I already also tried, everything I already tried for short form content first. Add this. I can add this to it, yeah. This one's really good. You know what it has? That flavor? Like a taquito. He scared me. Good.